Hello and a warm welcome to BV News channel. Today I am going to talk about the 9 personal finance rules we all must know. The first is Rule of 72. Number of years required to double your money at a given rate. You just divide 72 by interest rate. Example, if you want to know how long it will take to double your money at 8% interest, divide 72 by 8 and you will get 9 years. At 6% rate, it will take 12 years and at 9% rate, it will take 8 years. The second is Rule of 70. Divide 70 by current inflation rate to know how fast the value of your investment will get reduced to half its present value. Inflation rate of 7% will reduce the value of your money to half in 10 years. Third is 4% rule for financial freedom. Corpus required is equal to 25 times of your estimated annual expenses. Example, if your annual expense after 50 years of age is 5 lakh and you wish to take VRS, then corpus with you required is 1.25 crore. Put 50% of this into fixed income and 50% into equity. Withdraw 4% every year, that is 5 lakh. This rule works for 96% of time in 30 years period. The fourth is 100 minus your age rule. This rule is used for asset allocation. Subtract your age from 100 to find out how much of your portfolio shall be allocated to equities. Suppose your age is 30, so 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Therefore, equity is 70% and debt is 30%. But if your age is 60, so 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. Therefore, equity is 40 and debt is 60. The fifth is 10-5-3 rule. One should have reasonable returns expectations. 10% rate of return from equity or mutual funds, 5% from debts, that is fixed deposit or other debt instruments, 3% from savings account. Sixth is 50-30-20 rule. It is about allocation of income to expense. Divide your income into 50%, that is needs, 30% into wants and 20% into savings. At least try to save 20% of your income. You can definitely save more. The seventh is 3 into emergency rule. Always put at least 3 times your monthly income in emergency funds for emergencies such as loss of employment, medical emergency, etc. In fact, one can have around 6 into monthly income in liquid or near liquid assets to be on a safer side. Eighth is 40% EMI rule. Never go beyond 40% of your income into EMIs. Say if you earn 50,000 rupees per month, then you should not have EMIs more than 20,000 rupees. This rule is generally used by finance companies to provide loans. You can use it to manage your finances too. Ninth is life insurance rule. Always have sum assured as 20 times of your annual income. 20 into annual income. Say you earn 5 lakh rupees annually, you should at least have 1 crore insurance by following this rule. These rules are equally useful for young, youth and old. Hope you will find them simple, useful and handy. Last but not the least, balance your finances and be happy. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Thanks for watching. Read, discuss and debate with editor Dr. Yan Prashant Rao. Wanted reporters in print, digital and visual media for Bharat Vaibhav Daily Newspaper, BV News Channel and BV Fast Web News from all the talukas of Karnataka. If interested, send your resume to 9482633333.